is coming, so we are running.
First batch of meal is done. Guys, our food is done. Hi guys, for breakfast we have bread toast and I added the biscuit. And I'll make some coffee for myself. Coffee done.
Guys, one auto is coming, so we are running.
It's academic block, please class late हो जाए.
Hey guys, I have lots of things to do tonight, but let's start by folding that heap of clothes on my bed, and then I have my PPT to make for tomorrow. So yeah, let's get started. Pretty nice. And this also has this light setting here. And it has this tree. Good purchase. Good morning. Right now it's 6:10, so I'm going to the gym, and it's so cold because it's been raining the whole night and the weather is like this. So yeah, It's actually my day 3 of going to gym. I just came back from gym, took a shower, and now I'm doing my skincare.
I don't know if I can write all these also.
Hey guys, today it's my roommate's birthday and she is giving us dinner party. मेरा बर्थडे नहीं है, इसका बर्थडे नहीं है पर Latam say hi. Hi. It's our birthday. This is our food. This is chicken.
Yes.
This is chicken. It's boiled and sinju.
And this is masala for
Sinju and
Hi, my name is Vinci and I'm from Arunachal.
and she is making this one.
You?
I'm Garnet's best friend. Hi. Hi. It's my birthday and I'm Garnet's roommate and it's my birthday.
I want to. Yeah. Say hello.
No, it's me.
And she's
Rashma.
no Rosaline. She's Rosaline. I am so tired. But guys, this is how you make sinju. Vinci बहुत spoil करता है. Our dough is done. Our keema and you brought. Guys, our first batch of momo is done. Guys, look at our momo. I'll show you the down one. At the
This one, huh? This one. And then
she's making the chutney.
But then she get in kitchen.
Guys, our food is done. Momo is done, current is done, chutney is done, and we are ready to eat.
Oh my gosh, too hot.
That is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.